Okay, we now move on to speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a house or an apartment you would like to live in. Future tense. Okay, you would like to live in. Yes, please.
Currently, I am living with. I am living in Lahore with my. Sorry. Currently, I am living in a city with my family, and it is not a big house. It has 3 bedrooms, a TV lounge, and a kitchen. I really like nature and greenery, so my dream house would be in a place where there is a lot of greenery and nature. So, okay, just a
You can
minute.
take a look at your notes or the topic. No problem.
Okay. So I don't want a big house. I just want a house where there is 2 bedrooms, a lobby, and there must be a garden and a big bathroom as well, where I have a big mirror and different drawers where I can have my makeup and beauty products.
Okay, thank you very much. Just you need practice and you need to be familiar with these type of topics. Initially you started well, but then you got confused, so there you took some pauses as well. You said there is 2 bedrooms. It should
There
have been there are
are
2 bedrooms. So
there are.
these mistakes are out of confusion. So practice all these topics so that you become perfect. Now we move on to speaking part 3. Do most people in your country live in a house or apartment?
As per my opinion, I think most people live in their house, and they prefer to live in their house because the rents are too much and people can't afford it. That's why most people try to have their own house and live in that house.
All right, this better. So try to elaborate a little more in part 3. Otherwise, you answer the fine. But if you get confused, then you're likely to make mistakes. So try to overcome your nervousness as well, right? Thank you.